Good morning, students. As you all familiar with me, myself Deepak Kumar. Okay, your English teacher is here to teach you English grammar through online classes. Due to this lockdown, due to this coronavirus, all the schools, education institute are closed and students are at their home. So the school has decided to start online classes to give you knowledge at your home, to educate you at your own home. So we are starting with the very first chapter of the book, that is sentences. This is the very first chapter, so we are beginning now. So students, I request all of you to pay attention towards this lesson and try to learn more and more. Okay, so everything is written here on the board. This is due to making this video. Okay, so sentences in Hindi we call it vakya. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense. एक वाक्य शब्दों का वह समूह है जो हमें पूरा अर्थ प्रदान करता है. A sentence is a group of words that gives us complete sense. A group of words that gives us complete sense. Okay, it is not a group of words. It is not any group of words. The words should be arranged in a proper order. The words should be arranged in a proper order so that they can give us a complete sense. So this is the definition. Look here. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense. For example, the students are learning grammar. The students are learning grammar. Okay. विद्यार्थी व्याकरण सीख रहे हैं. विद्यार्थी व्याकरण सीख रहे हैं. Now here a sentence has two parts. Sentence has two parts. The first one is subject and the second one is predicate. This sentence also has two parts. One is subject and one is predicate. So the students are learning grammar. So here the students, this one, the student is a subject. Subject in Hindi we call vishay to subject. Okay, and are learning grammar is a predicate visheshe. Are learning grammar is a predicate visheshe. Okay, so what is a subject and what is a predicate? There are two parts of a sentence. The one is subject and the other one is predicate. So subject, the definition of subject is here: about whom something is said. About whom something is said. यानी कि हिंदी, अगर हम बात करें हिंदी में, तो वह जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाए. सब्जेक्ट वह जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाए. That may be, a subject may be a person, an object or any other thing. Okay, a subject may be a person, or it may be an object, or it may be any other thing about whom we are talking in the sentence. So the subject is something what we talk about. Okay, and then predicate. Predicate is what that is said about the subject. Whatever that is said about the subject. Whatever that is said about the subject is the predicate. Okay, so predicate, basically what should be a predicate? A predicate may be a description. A predicate may be a description about the subject. It describes the subject basically. A predicate, it describes the subject. So there are two definitions. A subject about whom something is said. That may be a person, object or any other thing. Predicate, what that is said about the subject. Whatever that is said about the subject is the predicate. And this predicate is the description or the saying. This predicate is the description or the saying or any information about the subject. Okay, so some other information about subject is written here in front of you on the board. A subject may be a single word or a group of words. A subject may be a single word or a group of words, like any name. Any name may be a subject, like a name that is Rohan, Mohan, Sohan. Any object, any animal, any plant. Okay, or a group of words, like a group of words, the trees in my garden. The trees in my garden. ठीक है, मेरे बगीचे के फूल. The trees in my garden Okay, give sweet fruits. The trees in my garden give sweet fruits. So here, the trees in my garden, this whole group of words is a subject. Okay, and give sweet fruits, that is a predicate. That is not written here due to limited space on the board, but I am telling you, are you getting me properly? I hope you are. Okay, so here, a subject may be a single word or a group of words, and predicate. Predicate may consist of one or more verbs. In a predicate, there may be one verb, a single verb, or there may be one or more than one verb. So this is the description about this topic here today, sentences. Fine. So sentences, I told you that a sentence is a group of words. I am again repeating it for you. I have told you this in the earlier classes also, but I am revising it for you so that it may, go deep in your mind. It may go deep in your mind so that the understanding may increase well. Okay, fine. So look here, sentences. Now I am just repeating them. Sentences, vakya. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense. एक वाक्य शब्दों का एक समूह होता है जो पूर्ण अर्थ देता है, and the words arranged in a order, and the words should be arranged in a order. Okay, so for example, the students are learning grammar. विद्यार्थी व्याकरण सीख रहे हैं. A sentence has two parts. Now here, this sentence has two parts, the subject and predicate. One is subject and one is predicate. So the students are learning grammar. So the students here is subject. To subject in Hindi we call Vishay. Are learning grammar is predicate. We call Visheshe to predicate in Hindi. विषय जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाए, एंड विशेष्य वह जो कुछ भी कहा जाए विषय के बारे में, वो विशेष्य है. Subject about whom something is said, it may be a person, object or any other thing, and predicate what that is said about the subject. It may be a description, any information or any sayings. Again, some more information about subject. A subject may be a single word or a group of words. A subject may be a single word or a group of words, and a predicate may consist of one or more verbs, and a predicate may consist of one or more verbs. So students, this is a very short but really important discussion about the topic sentence. This is the very first lesson of your English grammar. Okay, so please read it at your home and try to interpret and understand the whole lesson, and try to do the exercise. Okay, and make it come to me, and then I will check you. Fine. Okay, so this is about our lesson today. Okay, so this is the all. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll read about the types of sentences. Fine. Thank you very much, and be safe, be at your home. Okay, and be happy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.